Movavi just took motion tracking to the next level. Now you can attach anything you want, like a logo, photo, or even a video. Now, this is new in Movavi 2024. I've been testing it out and I found a little trick that you definitely need to know about. So let's dive in and take a look. Okay, so I've already got a video clip in the timeline and I'm going to track the motion of this ball that you see right here. For this example, I'm thinking of just attaching a photo to this ball. So to get started, I'll head up to the media bin, grab my photo, and place it in the timeline right above my video clip. Now, this action automatically opens up the position tool, so from here, I can just navigate over to the preview window and adjust the photo to my preferred size and position. All right, before I dive into the whole tracking thing, there's a few things that I need to do to this video first. Okay, with my video selected down in the timeline, what I'm gonna need to do is cut this video at the point where the ball starts its movement, right about here. Then I'll make another cut just before the ball disappears from the screen. Now, doing this ensures that the tracking tool doesn't get confused when the ball vanishes. Now, if you're in a situation similar to mine and you wish to continue tracking once the ball reemerges, we'll need to make another cut just as the ball reappears. After cutting the video, I need to do the same thing with the photo on top. So I'll drag it to the beginning of this clip here where the ball begins its movement. Now I'll just hold Control on my keyboard while I click and drag this photo over, making a perfect copy. Now we'll skip over this section where the ball is out of view and we'll line up this copy with our third clip. All right, let's get into the fun part. So let's position the playhead at the start of this section and double click on the photo. This action brings up the Clip Properties menu. Here, we'll find the new Motion Tracking tab. If you don't see the Motion Tracking tab, that's because it's a new feature in Movavi 2024. If you don't have it yet and would like to pick it up, head down to the video description where you'll find my affiliate link as well as a discount code. Now, let's go ahead and give this a click. And as you can see, we have a set of instructions as well as our tracking options. Now, our options are quick, precise, and AI. Now, with a clip like ours, I think the AI is going to be the right choice. When we select it, a tracking box shows up over here in the preview window. Now we can just drag this box over here to our ball and size it down using these points on the corners. Now, from my experience, adjusting it so that the box's dotted lines touch the outer edges of the object, like this, seems to work best. So when we're finished up with this, we'll just hit the track button and let Movavi do its thing. Now, before I show you what it looks like, let's go ahead and track the ball as it re-enters. Now, I'll need to select the photo here on the right, navigate to the More Tools tab, then over here to the Position tool. From here, I can reposition the photo to line up with the ball's re-entry. Then I'll set up the tracking, and here's what it looks like. Now, that was pretty seamless, but it's not always going to be that easy. Sometimes you'll have to mess around with it for a while to get it just how you like it. Now, real quick, let's go through another scenario that you might have a little trouble with, like I did. So what if we want to cover the ball with our photo like this? As you can see, it seems impossible, since we can't get our tracking on the ball, right? Well, I've come up with a little workaround that we can use until Movavi fixes this. So, with our photo in place, let's go over to the General tab and slide this opacity slider all the way to the left, making our photo invisible. Now we can easily get our tracking in place over the ball. We'll then hit track, and once it's finished, we'll simply slide our opacity back over, and there we have it. Well, that about wraps it up. I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know if there's any other features that you'd like to see in Movavi 2024. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm always happy to help.